Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get Zoom invoices or receipts. And in here, what you need to do is open your Zoom in your browser. So just sign in into Zoom first, and after that, here you can go to your profile, click on profile, and then just scroll down until you find in this admin. You can click on this plans and billing, go to the billing management, and in here you can see the billings. If you have any subscription, you can find it in here, or first you can also just join the subscription first to get your invoices or receipt. So for example, here you need to upgrade the Zoom into Pro, then you'll get when you've done the payment, you'll get the invoices, and you can also see the payment history in here. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.